See, today's topic is about quality mutual funds. So those who are present here, can anyone tell me why do we require quality mutual funds? Can I have some reply on the chat? For better returns or returns. Okay. Safety. Okay, good point. Risk free to some extent. Not it may not be risk free in any case. Generate alpha. Okay. Sufficient answers. Main reason for investing in quality mutual funds is the drawdown that you will see during COVID period or during a 10 to 15% market correction. Number one. Number two, if a fund falls 30 to 50% from high, okay, then it has to rise again 30 to 50 to 60% from that base figure in order to reach again the cost price. For example, if you invested on 1st January 2020, my video is freezing at times. It must be, is anyone having the same issue as Mr. Jacob Philip? He's saying my video is freezing. Is my video clear? And is my voice also clear? Can I have a few replies? It's okay. Okay, Jacob ji, I think it may be a net issue from your end because not people are not facing this issue. No, the image is perfect. It's clear. Okay. No, there is no fan, so it's just as it is. The camera, it may be something camera issue or something like that. Okay, so let's get back to the topic. We will start the formal discussion. We are just informally discussing. The main reason what I was telling was key. For example, if you invest in 1st January, okay, if you invest in on 1st January 2020, and when you see a drawdown on 23rd March, okay, approximately Nifty fell by 35 to 40%. If the mutual fund is not good, okay, if it is not quality, and it will fall by approximately 45 to 50%. And from that 45 to 50%, again, it has to rise by 60 to 65% because the base has become low. And then it will come at your cost. Cost means as on 1st January 2020. So what is the problem when you do not pick a non-quality fund or a bad quality fund? First, the drawdown that you have to see on the screen, and many people who do not have a very strong heart or they do not have the risk-taking capability, or even if they are having the capability, they are not willing to take risk. They will exit their funds at a 30 or 40% drawdown, and they will see or experience losses. So that is why quality mutual funds is the way forward. Number one. Number two, quality mutual funds may give a return sometimes. Okay, it's not going to be a regular thing, but sometimes it may happen that quality mutual funds will be at par with the index on very high bull run. Okay, when there is a very high bull run, then these things may happen that sometimes those mutual funds will be at par with index, but in the long run they are going to show you astonishing amount of return that will not be available if you go for non-quality or bad quality mutual funds. Okay, so first of all, we should understand what is the requirement. Why do we need it? Okay, so the reason is number one, that you do not have to experience that large amount of drawdown, and I am going to prove you that with data. Number two, in the long run, or when there is a very high volatile movements and the market is going up like anything, like it happened in March 2020 till today, in that case those mutual funds may sometimes be at par with index. Okay, so at that time you should not think that had I invested in this X mutual fund, I would have got 100%. Since I am investing in Y mutual fund, I am getting returns at par with the index. Okay, that thinking may help you in the short run of 3 to 6 months when there is an extreme bull run, but in the long run, what will happen? Again, you will start losing. Okay, so there are approximately 60 people right now, and it's approximately 4:40. So we are starting the seminar. Okay, first of all, uh, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Rishabh Doshi. I am equity research analyst at Dynamic Equities, and Value Stocks is a product of Dynamic Equities Private Limited. Okay, so let's start the session by understanding why do we need what we need. That is, why do we need a quality mutual fund? Okay, this is the Value Stocks website. Okay, first of all, let us understand why do we need what we need. Number one, let's first experience what has happened from 20th March 2019 till 20th March 2020. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to, this is all the equity categories that are present at this moment. What I am going to do, I am going to calculate returns of all the categories from 20th March 2019 to 23rd March 2020. Okay, I'm going to press apply button, and you can see the returns are logical because the markets were down. Each and every sector is going to be down, or each and every category is going to be down. So let's see which is the worst category during that period. I repeat, the period was 20th March 2019 to 23rd March 2020. That was the worst day. Okay, when the markets reached a low of 7,500 approximately. So what has been the return? Approximately, by seeing at the whole scenario, you can see on an average 30 to 35% negative returns. Correct? Now, let's see what had been the case if you had invested in quality mutual funds. Okay, is my screen visible to everyone? Can I have a few reply on the chat? Yes, DP Sharma ji, what is your raising hand? Okay. Okay. So number one, what did I show you? I'm just repeating in short once again. First of all, what I did, I took these two dates. Okay, 20th March 2019 and 23rd March 2020. So approximately all the categories have given a return of -30, ranging from -30 to -35 approx. Now let's pick large cap category. Since Nifty 50 is the appropriate benchmark for large cap category, let's pick large cap category. We will do the same thing over here also. We are going to take these two dates and calculate the returns of each fund. Okay, and let's check out what's the output. Okay, see, these are the worst funds. Okay, HDFC top 100 fund is the worst, 29%. During that period, it gave a return of -29%. And which is the best fund? These three funds might not have existed during that time. That is why the returns are blank. Okay, see, what has been the best performing funds? Axis Blue Chip only a -6% return. JM Large only -9%. But the AUM is very small, so we can ignore this. So I'm going to add a filter of AUM greater than 250. Okay, just to remove very small funds. Okay, Canara Robeco only 10% negative, LIC 11%, BNP 11%. Okay, now this is the power that quality can give a person. Can you understand? When the index is negative by 25 to 35% and your fund is negative by 6, 7, 10%, and outperformance of 20, approximately 15 to 10%, and it's a very huge outperformance. So let's see what we did during that period. Okay, I'm showing you this. See, from 20th March 2019 to 20th March 2020, this means If you bought at 20th March 2019 and if you exited at 20th March 2020, the index gave a return of minus 24% approximately. Okay, index is Nifty 50, it's mentioned over here. And the quality mutual funds gave a return of only 12 negative. Can you see this? What can be the wealth creator? This can be the next thing that is going to help you to outperform the market significantly. If you take a look at here, Nifty has given a historical return of minus 8% during these periods, and the quality funds have given a return of positive 56%. So over a long period of time, what can quality do for you? You can check it out, and this data is freely available everywhere. You can go to any website and you can see the same thing. So what my point was, कि quality stocks कैसे pick करनी है. This is the webinar today. But first, one needs to understand, why do I need it? I need it because during the fall from very high levels, like currently market is also at a very high level. It's near the market's all-time high is approximately 14,400 and market is trading at approximately 1530. Okay, so if such a scenario occurs, then what can you say? This is what I'm trying to show here, that even after markets falling by 25-30%, if your portfolio falls by 10 to 12%, and when the market starts reversing, you only need to recover 10%, while the whole market has to recover 30% from that level in order to reach the cost price and then give a positive return in the upcoming future. So this is what the point is, that why do you need quality? First of all, if you're doing something, you should know why are you doing it. So that was my point up till now, that quality mutual funds can outperform the market 5, 10, 15%. And this is the proof. This is the proof. Markets gave a return of 24%. Quality mutual funds gave a return of minus 12%. So the second question that should come to your mind is, how do I pick it? If it's possible, then how do I pick it? So let's go to large cap mutual fund. So under this category, we have 32 funds. Okay, we ignored certain funds with a very low AUM. So let's take a AUM of greater than 100. And we have made this score, which is called QBS score. Okay, this score will help you to identify which are the quality mutual funds. And another thing that you can see over here is AGS score, alpha generator score. This is quality business score. This is alpha generator score. Alpha generator scores tells you which funds are performing. Quality business scores tells you which funds have quality stocks in their portfolio. Okay, there are various ways of looking into a portfolio. Some way see standard deviation, expense ratio, 1 month return, 3 month return, 6 month return, many ways. High AUM means a good fund, low AUM means a bad fund. There are 101 ways to look into markets, but we have found a way, and we have tested that way, that how it is going to help mutual fund distributors and retailers who want to get into mutual funds and earn a decent amount of return, at the same time beat the markets by 10%, 15%, 20%. Okay, so let's first talk about what is QBS. QBS is basically quality business score. What is it about? We have exceptional capability to identify what is quality and what is bad quality. Okay, so first what we did, that we went to stock level. So I'm going to talk about QBS. How is it made, and how is it made in such a way that it can identify quality mutual funds. Mutual funds is what? An accumulation of stocks. So if you get an understanding of quality stocks, and if you put, if you calculate the weighted average, then you can get which is a quality mutual funds. So first of all, what we did, that we took out all the NSE listed companies, approximately 15 to 1600 are there. We calculated the QBS of each stock. Okay, and we did what we did is we calculated the weighted average of the quality business score and the amount that is invested in that company by the respective mutual funds. So let's take an example. So for example, you can see Bajaj Finance has a QBS of 17 out of 22. Okay. And the company holds 9.3% of the AUM of this scheme is in Bajaj Finance. I repeat, if the AUM of the fund is, say, for example, 100 crores, so 9.3 crores has been invested in Bajaj Finance. So what we did 17, that is the QBS of the stock, into amount invested in that stock, 9.3 whole divided by 100 crores. That is the AUM of the scheme. So that way we keep on doing it for 32 equity shares that is held by this scheme, okay, this mutual fund, and we add it and we get a score of 16. Now this is how we calculate the QBS of the mutual fund. The question that many people will want to ask, how do you calculate the QBS of Bajaj Finance? It's very simple. I'm going to talk about it in short, because this is a session for mutual funds, not for stocks. So that is why I'm going to tell it in a very short and crispy manner, that stocks, only 4 things are required for checking whether the stock is a quality stock or not. Okay. So I'm just going to take a short example over here and not going to waste time in the stock level, but our QBS has come from the stock level understanding. From that, we get the holdings of the mutual fund every month, and accordingly we update the data every month. Okay. So you will, if you are a part of our program, or if you are part of the or if someone here has a subscription of value stocks, they will know that the QBS score will change every month. Okay. The QBS score of the mutual fund will change every month, but the QBS score of the company, that is the stock, will change every quarter. Okay. So it has been mentioned over here, and it is free. Each and every one of you can check this out. I will just show once again how. If you log on to this valuestocks.in, if you select this section, select winning stocks with QBS. If you go to Bajaj Finance and you select no quality business score of Bajaj Finance, this section, okay, then this is freely available to each and every one in the market. That how do we calculate QBS score? Simple. Look at 5 years of sales growth, 5 years of EPS growth, 5 years of cash flow, and 5 years of ROE. Simple. And the latest quarterly results. So 5 into 4 parameters gives a score of 20, and the latest quarterly sales growth and EPS growth gives a score of 2. So that way we come to a QBS of 22. So a company can have a maximum QBS of 22. No company cannot have a QBS of more than 22. Okay. So this is how we calculate the QBS of each stocks. Then what we do, we know the holdings. We get the data of holdings of the mutual funds every month. Okay. So from there we calculate the QBS of the mutual fund, and we generate that over here. And from here, anyone can simply pick which is the quality mutual fund scheme, or which, basically, if we talk about it in a more deeper sense, or we take a very micro view, then we can say that which mutual funds are holding quality stocks. Okay. The highest one must be holding the best quality stocks. That is why even during COVID, when the index was down by 30%, Axis Blue Chip was down by 6%. And I can show that on 20th March, we chose Axis Blue Chip. Okay, this is also available in the app. See. So first of all, Kishorji, the QBS will also be out of 22. But in certain cases, what will happen? For example, certain companies may not have 22 data points. Okay. Certain companies may not have 22 data points. For example, Suven Pharma, it has been recently demerged. For example, Tata Chemical, Tata Consumer, they have recently demerged. So for them, you do not have 5 years of data. So in that case, QBS will be, say, 15 out of 16 or 13 out of 12, 13 out of 15, something like that. QBS of 15 and above is very decent, but QBS should be seen peer wise. Okay. under a category you have a fixed number of funds, and suppose you are a person who wants to invest in large cap, you want to do it no matter what. So you have to check that how are the peers, what is the peer performance and which is the top 3 or top 5, and in that way you can choose कि which mutual fund हमें डालना है. Okay, so it's very simple. 15 का QBS is very good. It's very good in the sense that it's decent, but if the peers have a QBS of 16 and above, then why should I go for a QBS which is 15? See, I am clearly seeing here that Axis Blue Chip has a QBS of 16.62, which is the highest. Okay, then why should I go for a Canara Robeco which has a 15 QBS, or something like SBI Blue Chip which has a QBS of 15.60? So first of all, I'm just again concluding everything that I have said till now. First of all, I said why do you need what we need? Why do you need a quality mutual fund? I proved with data. Number 2, I said key what will happen when actually such scenario happens in when you are actually having Axis Blue Chip, and how will you feel when the market is down 30% and your fund is down 6%. I'll talk about the green highlight. Okay, I will talk about green highlight later. I'm just concluding everything that I've said till now. Some participants may have come late, so that they do not miss out what we are going to discuss further from right now. First of all, I discussed why do you need quality mutual fund. In short, you need quality mutual fund because when the market falls, it will 110% perform better than the markets. Okay, and we have historical data to prove that. There may be 1 or 2 outliers. Okay, see, market में कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, outlier होंगे, लेकिन there will be 70 to 80% probability in your favor that it will outperform, and it has. Okay, I have shown in the screen how and why. Number 2, what we do, how do we identify such funds which are going to outperform in the market in future? Suppose a second, for example, we know that there lockdown has started in European countries and in Nagpur. Okay, second wave of lockdown has already started. So we never know if there is another 10 to 15 correction. Okay, then what will happen if you are not invested in good quality funds? Your portfolio will fall by 15% or 20%. Okay, so that is why you need quality funds, and quality funds also outperforms in Teji also, huh? But there may be few, again there may be few outliers, but 70 to 80% of the times you will find this phenomenon to occur because there is a logic behind it. What is the logic? अच्छे शेयर जो होते हैं ना, वो सबको सब समय अच्छे लगते हैं. मतलब TCS और Infosys हो गए. मार्केट में रेयरली आपको कोई मिलेगा आदमी जो बोलेगा TCS या Infosys फालतू शेयर. कोई बोलता ही नहीं है. ठीक है, मार्केट में कोई जल्दी बोलेगा नहीं कि TCS और Infosys फालतू शेयर है. So what is our skill in the game? Our skill in the game is कि हम लोग को पता है कि which stocks are quality using certain parameters. The parameters are ROE, free cash flow, sales growth, EPS growth. It has been written on the website. If someone wants to detailed, they can visit the website. This seminar is about mutual funds, so I'm not going into stocks. So first of all, we identify which are quality stocks. Then we go to the holdings of the mutual fund and we calculate the weighted average QBS of the mutual fund using the QBS of the stock. By QBS, I mean quality business score. Out of 22, QBS score can be maximum 22. So obviously the mutual fund can also have a maximum score of 22, but we have rarely seen any company, any mutual fund going to a level of 19 and 5 and above. Maximum हम लोग ने 19.5, 19.8 देखा है अभी तक सारे 340 स्कीम को मैं टोटल बोल रहा हूँ. 340 स्कीम मतलब इक्विटी में जितने भी कैटेगरी है, अगर उसमें से अगर हम हाईएस्ट क्यूबीएस भी ले तो दैट इज 19.5. ओके, बट फॉर थ्योरेटिकल पर्पसेस मैक्सिमम क्यूबीएस म्यूचुअल फंड का भी 22 ही जा सकता है, उससे ऊपर हो नहीं सकता. पर मैक्सिमम हिस्ट्री में अभी तक 19.5 से 19.8 गया है. ठीक है, तो अब हमें पता है कि म्यूचुअल फंड में क्वालिटी बिजनेस स्कोर कैसे पिक करना है, और एकदम सिंपल है. जिसको आरओई, फ्री कैश फ्लो, ईपीएस ग्रोथ कुछ समझना नहीं है या नहीं आता है, दोनों सिनेरियो में आपको क्या करना है, आपको खोलना है, यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन क्यूबीएस. जो भी ऊपर है वो सारे क्वालिटी है. उसमें कभी आपको क्वालिटी लेके चिंता नहीं करना होगा कि स्कैम हो गया, कंपनी के पास 10 स्टॉक्स था, 5 स्टॉक में स्कैम हो गया, ऐसा आपको नहीं दिखेगा। हाँ, कंपनी के पास 20 स्टॉक्स है, एक दो स्टॉक में स्कैम हो ही सकता है, जैसे यस बैंक और डीएचएफएल भी तो म्यूचुअल फंड हाउसेस के पास थे ही और स्कैम हुआ भी था। सो अगर कोई म्यूचुअल फंड का उस टाइम पे जब डीएचएफएल का स्कैम हुआ था, इफ द स्टॉक वुड हैव बीन हैविंग अ हायर वेट, तो ऑटोमेटिकली उसका क्यूबीएस गिरता और ऑटोमेटिकली आप उसमें से एग्जिट मिल जाता आपको। ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको समझ में आ गया कि क्यूबीएस कैसे पिक करना है, क्यूबीएस सॉरी माय मिस्टेक, म्यूचुअल फंड कैसे पिक करना है, क्वालिटी म्यूचुअल फंड। यू जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड व्हिच हैज द हाईएस्ट क्यूबीएस फॉर दैट कैटेगरी। ओके, लार्ज कैप में हाईएस्ट किसका है, एक्सिस का है। वैसे ही आपको हर एक कैटेगरी का क्यूबीएस देख लेना है, आपको जिस कैटेगरी में इन्वेस्ट करना है, यू कैन डू एट योर कन्वीनियंस। ओके, now let's talk about when and how QBS changes. Okay, some of the people are asking, so let's get that to point. Let's get for link not received at a time. Okay, Gopal ji, we are going to again summarize it at the end, so at that time you will catch up with us. Okay, just be patient, listen from here onwards. Okay, so QBS कब चेंज होता है? देखिए, दो केस में QBS चेंज हो सकता है। अगर बजाज फाइनेंस जिसका क्यूबीएस 17 है, अगर वो चेंज होगा, वो कब चेंज होगा, जब क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स या एनुअल रिजल्ट्स आएगा तब चेंज होगा। ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन एजीएस। हिमांशु जी पहले क्वालिटी पकड़ लेते हैं, सेमिनार का टॉपिक है क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स को कैसे पकड़े। गोपाल जी मैं लास्ट में समराइज करूंगा तब आपको पता चल जाएगा, जस्ट बी पेशेंट। शॉर्ट में बता देता हूं, जो भी हाईएस्ट क्यूबीएस स्कोर है दैट इज कॉल्ड क्वालिटी। मैं लास्ट में समराइज करूंगा अप्रोक्सीमेटली 520 को, तब हम लोग तब आपको क्लियर हो जाएगा। ओके, सो क्यूबीएस ऑफ द म्यूचुअल फंड विल चेंज ड्यू टू 2 रीजंस। नंबर 1, अगर फंड ने, अगर म्यूचुअल फंड ने या अगर स्कीम ने अगर बजाज फाइनेंस को एग्जिट कर दिया and it did not take any company which is like Bajaj Finance or which has a score of 17 and above, तो क्या होगा, क्यूबीएस स्कोर चेंज होगा, नंबर 1। नंबर 2, अगर कंपनी का क्यूबीएस चेंज हो गया तो भी आपका फंड का क्यूबीएस चेंज होगा। तो क्वेश्चन उठेगा कि कंपनी का क्यूबीएस कब चेंज होगा। कंपनी का क्यूबीएस तब चेंज होगा जब क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स या एनुअल रिजल्ट्स आएंगे, और क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स और एनुअल रिजल्ट्स पूरे साल में 4 बार ही आते हैं। ठीक है, 4 ही क्वार्टर होता है पूरे साल में, तो ओनली 4 times the QBS of the stocks will change. Okay, but QBS of the fund can change every month, because if a fund enters a new stock or exits a old stock or it reweighs everything, that means for example recently आपको पता होगा, जो लोग म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हैं या जो लोग मार्केट्स को भी ठीक से फॉलो करते हैं म्यूचुअल फंड इंडस्ट्री को, मल्टी कैप और फ्लेक्सी कैप, ठीक है, नया कैटेगरी बन गया। तो क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या थी, सेबी मैंडेट है कि अगर आप मल्टी कैप फंड खुद को क्लेम कर रहे हैं कि मैं मल्टी कैप फंड हूं, तो आपको 25-25-25, ठीक है, 25-25-25-25, यू हैव टू कीप अ सर्टेन परसेंट ऑफ अमाउंट that is part of the AUM in large cap, in small cap and mid cap. You have to do that, else you cannot call yourself a multi cap fund. ठीक है, and फ्लेक्सी कैप में आपको जितना करना है आप करिए, यू डोंट हैव टू बी टाइटेंड और योर हैंड्स आर नॉट रेस्ट्रिक्टेड बाय लॉज कि आप आपको लार्ज मिड और स्मॉल तीनों में लगाना ही है इतना परसेंट। दैट इज अ रूल इन मल्टी कैप एंड देयर इज अ सेपरेट रूल इन फ्लेक्सी कैप। तो क्या हुआ, जो लोग पहले खुद को मल्टी कैप क्लेम करते थे, ठीक है, लेकिन वो लोग फिक्स्ड अमाउंट नहीं डालते थे मिड कैप, स्मॉल कैप और लार्ज कैप में, तो वो लोग को बोला कि आप खुद को फ्लेक्सी कैप कैटेगराइज कीजिए। और कुछ लोगों को टाइम दिया गया, या कुछ लोगों ने खुद ही क्या किया, अगर उनको मल्टी कैप फंड रहना था तो उन्होंने खुद के पोर्टफोलियो को रीवे कर दिया। रीवे कैसे किया, सपोज कीजिए आपके पास 50% ऑफ योर AUM वाज लार्ज कैप इन अ स्कीम। सपोज कीजिए एक स्कीम में 50% लार्ज कैप था, 25 मिड था, 25 स्मॉल था, ठीक है। या सपोज कीजिए एक दूसरा एग्जांपल लेते हैं, सपोज कीजिए एक म्यूचुअल फंड था जो खुद को मल्टी कैप क्लेम करता था, उसका 50% लार्ज कैप था, 50% मिड कैप था, 2% स्मॉल कैप, 48% मिड कैप था, 2% स्मॉल कैप था। तो क्या होगा, it cannot be categorized as multi cap under the new regulations. So उसे क्या करना होगा, it has to liquidate certain amount of large cap and shift to small cap, and it also has to liquidate certain amount of mid cap and shift to small cap. तो उसमें क्या होगा, QBS चेंज हो जाएंगे क्योंकि उसका वेट्स चेंज हो गया. सो मैंने एक्सप्लेन अभी तक ये किया है, आई एम अगेन गोइंग टू स्पीक अबाउट इट इन शॉर्ट. तीन चीज मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है. क्यूबीएस कब चेंज होगा, म्यूचुअल फंड का. सबसे पहले म्यूचुअल फंड तो स्टॉक्स, म्यूचुअल फंड का क्यूबीएस तो स्टॉक से बन रहा है, ठीक है. स्टॉक का क्यूबीएस कब चेंज होगा, साल में 4 बार, तो उसके कारण म्यूचुअल फंड का वो चेंज होगा क्यूबीएस. नंबर 2, हर महीना म्यूचुअल फंड का होल्डिंग का डेटा आता है, मंथ में एक बार आता है. तो अगर म्यूचुअल फंड ने कुछ एंटर कुछ एग्जिट किया होगा तो भी आपका हर महीना क्यूबीएस चेंज हो सकता है, दूसरा कारण. तीसरा कारण, अगर म्यूचुअल फंड ने कुछ एंटर एग्जिट नहीं किया लेकिन रीवेइंग कर दिया कि उसने बजाज फाइनेंस थोड़ा बेच दिया और उसने एमएनएम फिन थोड़ा ले लिया, उसने रिलायंस थोड़ा बेच दिया और टीसीएस थोड़ा ले लिया, तो भी. तो ये तीन कारण से आपका क्यूबीएस चेंज होगा म्यूचुअल फंड का. Does this answer your question, those who are asking when does the QBS or how does the QBS change? I hope I have made it clear. Can I have a reply on chat, those who are asking about when does QBS change? Very clear. Thank you, Kishore ji. Now, okay, thank you. So now few of us were asking why and what is AGS. Sorry, yeah. So AGS क्या है? 4 डेट होती है रिजल्ट्स की. Those who don't know, there are 4 quarterly results. Okay, so what we did, what we saw कि result date to result date, sorry, compliance date to compliance date. अगर Anurag ji, you have to be a paid subscriber, only then you can know that, because देखिए अगर मैं सब अभी बता दूंगा तो you will not need the product itself, right? And I am here to first let you know why do you need the product. If you feel that nahi product mein dam hai, only then you can talk about how can we move forward. Okay, showing negative return sir because हमने पीरियड लिया है, हमने कोविड का पीरियड लिया है इधर. Okay, I'm just going to close so that people don't have questions why is it showing a negative return. Okay, no, we are not here to give a recommendation right now. Right now I'm going to tell you how you can pick a quality mutual fund and what is the procedure, what are the pros, what are the cons. Okay, we are now going to discuss AGS. हमने क्या देखा, पूरे साल में 4 compliance date है, ठीक है. We will discuss that. Let's take the questions after a while. Let me complete. After that we can take questions. Okay, just give me 5 to 15 minutes. We will discuss AGS. I will make a concluding statement about what I have spoke so that those who have missed can recap in 5 to 10 minutes, and then we can take questions. Okay, please don't post questions for another 15 minutes. Okay, let's talk about alpha generator score. So what is alpha generator score? हम लोग ने क्या देखा कि टोटल पूरे साल में 4 कंप्लायंस डेट होती है, जब जहां तक आपको रिजल्ट्स अनाउंस करने पड़ते हैं, ठीक है. तो हमने क्या किया, कंप्लायंस डेट टू कंप्लायंस डेट, वहां से डेट एक्स से लेकर डेट वाई तक हमने निकाला निफ्टी का रिटर्न, और डेट एक्स से डेट वाई तक हमने निकाला कि म्यूचुअल फंड का क्या रिटर्न है, whether the fund is beating the market or not. For large cap we have taken an index of Nifty 50, for small cap we have taken Nifty small cap 500, for mid cap Nifty mid cap 500, for multi cap and flexi cap we have Nifty 500, and so on. For ELSS we have Nifty 200. Okay, so we have taken the relevant indexes. Ritik ji, मैं आपको बताऊंगा how you will trust us and how we will move forward. Okay, just keep the questions for 15 minutes and then we will answer it. Okay, तो हम लोग ने क्या किया, we took all the 4 compliance date for the last 10 quarters. ठीक है, लास्ट 10 क्वार्टर में 11 लास्ट 10 क्वार्टर में what has been the performance of Nifty from quarter to quarter and what has been the performance of mutual fund from quarter to quarter. If the mutual fund has beaten Nifty or the relevant index, in case of large cap Nifty होगा, मिड कैप में मिड कैप इंडेक्स होगा, स्मॉल कैप में स्मॉल कैप एंड सो ऑन। अगर वो बीट करता है तो हम लोग उसको उस क्वार्टर के लिए स्कोर 1 देते हैं। ऐसे हम लोग 10 क्वार्टर करते हैं, तो एक तो स्कोर बनता है आउट ऑफ 10। Okay, now I am going to show a fund page so that you get to know what I am trying to say. देखिए BOA स्मॉल कैप फंड जो है ये लास्ट 8 क्वार्टर से एग्जिस्टेंस पे है, ठीक है। तो उसने 8 में से 6 क्वार्टर बीट किया निफ्टी को मतलब निफ्टी स्मॉल कैप 100, ओके, टू बी क्लियर, टू बी मोर प्रिसाइज, सॉरी। सो BOI स्मॉल कैप फंड ने निफ्टी स्मॉल कैप 100 को लास्ट 8 क्वार्टर उसका एग्जिस्टेंस है, 8 क्वार्टर का नैव का डेटा है, उसमें से उसने 6 क्वार्टर बीट किया है। सो इट हैज गिवन अ स्कोर ऑफ 6/8। ओके, did you get this? What is AGS? How do we calculate it? Can I have a few reply or should I repeat once again in the chat? It's clear. Okay, so I'm going to again speak in short. What is AGS? We have 4 compliance dates. We have 10 quarters of data. If some fund house has a less number of data, say they have 4, 5, 8 quarters of data, then we take that amount of data. हम लोग क्वार्टर टू क्वार्टर रिटर्न निकालते हैं और निफ्टी का भी रिटर्न निकालते हैं। निफ्टी 50 अगर लार्ज कैप है, अगर स्मॉल कैप है तो निफ्टी स्मॉल कैप 100 एंड सो ऑन। ओके मंगेश जी, इट मस्ट बी सम इश्यू फ्रॉम योर एंड। ओके, एवरीवन कैन हियर मी क्लियर? ओके, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू रिपीट इन शॉर्ट अगेन सो दैट यू डोंट मिस आउट। हम लोग क्या करते हैं, पूरे साल में 4 बार ही रिजल्ट आता है, ठीक है। तो रिजल्ट डेट टू रिजल्ट डेट मतलब जो सेबी का कंप्लायंस डेट है कि जब तक आपको रिजल्ट देना होगा उस डेट से लेकर नेक्स्ट डेट तक we calculate the return of the relevant index and the fund. If the fund beats the relevant index, we give a score of 1. We keep on doing this for last 10 quarters and thus we come to a score. So for example BOA Axe है, इसका small cap fund, इसका index होगा small cap 100, निफ्टी स्मॉल कैप 100, उसने लास्ट 8 क्वार्टर तक ये लास्ट 8 क्वार्टर से एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है, उसने 6 क्वार्टर बीट किया है स्मॉल कैप 100 को, इसलिए उसका स्कोर है 6। और अगर हिट रेशियो वाइज देखेंगे तो 75% का हिट रेशियो से वो बीट कर रहा है उसका इंडेक्स को। ओके, सो दिस वाज व्हाट इज एजीएस अबाउट, बट एजीएस इज नॉट सो रिलेवेंट। सबसे पहला प्रायोरिटी सबका होना चाहिए क्यूबीएस, उसके बाद एजीएस। ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, see over here it is written the fund highlighted in green are top 7 funds QBS wise, 10 quarter AGS wise and return wise, subject to minimum AUM of 100 करोड़। तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया है, मैंने लगा दिया 100 करोड़ का AUM, मैंने लगा दिया लास्ट 1 महीने का रिटर्न। so what can you see here, these funds are top 7 QBS wise, AGS wise and return wise. Can you see this? So only DSP is the only fund who has been top 7 in QBS column, in the AGS column and in the 1 month return column. So that is why it has been highlighted in green. So some people were saying हमको parallelly देखना है कि which is the best. So for them we brought this feature. Okay, some of us were asking, Amit ji was asking कि मुझे स्मॉल कैप और मिड कैप का भी लिस्ट दिखाइए। सर जी, वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू मूव फॉरवर्ड। इफ आई कीप ऑन शोइंग ईच एंड एवरी कैटेगरी, then the seminar will cannot be conducted in proper fashion. Okay, so I am just going to take one category and to discuss everything, and then we will talk what we can do about how can we move forward, कैसे हम लोग आपके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, वो सब हम लोग आगे डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, सो हम लोग अब मैं कंक्लूड करूंगा 5 to 10 minutes so that people like those people who have joined late, they can be at par with every one of us. गोपाल जी, हमने टेस्ट कर लिया है, ये आउटडेटेड नहीं है, ये आपको कहीं मिलेगा ही नहीं, ये आपको अच्छा आप बताइए, एक्सपेंस रेशियो, AUM, स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन, ये सब भी तो हिस्टोरिकल पैरामीटर्स है, ये सब भी तो हिस्टोरिकल पैरामीटर्स है। फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्शंस कैन बी प्रोजेक्टेड बाय n नंबर ऑफ पीपल बट द हिस्ट्री इज गोइंग टू बी सेम फॉर एनी नंबर ऑफ पीपल। ठीक है, जो हो चुका है दैट इज same, and that will not be a variable for me or for Mr. X or Mr. Y. बट फ्यूचर जो है वो मैं बोल सकता हूँ कल मार्केट 16,000 होगा, कोई दूसरा बोलेगा मार्केट 17,000 होगा, कोई दूसरा बोलेगा 7,500 हो जाएगा मार्केट. So future projections, this is not about future projection, this is about the history, and those who have been consistently performing, they have continued to perform consistently, we have tested it, and that is why we are coming out with this. अगर आपने टेस्ट नहीं किया होता तो हम लोग थोड़ी ये सब बोलते, और टेस्टिंग का भी प्रूफ है, that I have shown you. Okay, आप लेट आए थे इसलिए आपको दिखाने. Long term investment at least 1 year, sir. Nitesh ji, at least 1 year. It's better to go for 5 years if you talk about proper long term investment. But अगर आप 1 साल से कम कर रहे हैं, then we cannot call it long term investment. किशोर जी, क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स, क्वालिटी म्यूचुअल फंड स्कीम्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. गोल्ड तो क्वालिटी में, गोल्ड में तो कुछ क्वालिटी का है ही नहीं. It's not a quality mutual fund. We cannot call any type of gold. Gold का तो जो gold का रिटर्न होगा वही MF का रिटर्न होगा. So there is no quality or as such parameter. You can choose 1 year. 1 year is a decent period. Mitesh ji. Okay, so yes, Gopal ji is asking, HDFC and SBI gave a better return. HDFC and SBI gave a better return. Where is HDFC and SBI? SBI is 54 and HDFC is 52. And what has been the quality funds return? Check this out. Gopal ji, you can see over here, BOI AXA has the highest QBS and it has given a return of 65%. It has given a better return than HDFC and SBI, which you are proving for me. Okay. Let's first talk about this equity part, then we are going to discuss other things. Okay. No, you can do this every month, Mitesh ji. See, if you are a mutual fund distributor, funds can keep coming for you. Okay, this point that I'm going to talk about now, just for a minute, and then I'm going to conclude everything that I've said. So those who are not mutual fund distributors can just bear with me, or this point is also going to help those who are doing SIP. Okay, we are going to release funds, or the data is going to be updated. Okay, the QBS data is going to be dated every month. So those who are mutual fund distributors and those people who are doing SIP, okay, those people can regularly every month check the score and accordingly invest the client's money in case of mutual fund distributors. And in case of those people who are going to invest every month on 20th approximately, you should check the QBS of the funds that you have already invested, and those funds, those cash available, that is the cash that is available with you, you should invest in those funds that are top QBS and AGS. Okay, those who are doing SIP, for them also, and those who are mutual fund distributors, for them also this can work, and this is a great strategy. Okay, Nitesh ji, I think I have covered your point. Generally does not happen, so don't invest in that fund for anymore, Kishore ji. Generally it does not happen. It does not suddenly go from 15 to 12 or 10. Generally it does not happen, but if anything happens, any such event happens, for example, Yes Bank and DHFL, two great stocks together go into a crisis, then just stop investing in those funds. Yes, that is why I did not say exit those funds. You can exit those funds. If there is a very drastical fall, then exiting the fund is a more rational decision. But if the QBS say is 15.5 and it has come down to 15.2, then what you can do, you can stop investing more funds in it and go to better funds that are available at that point of time. Okay. So now let me conclude what I have said, so that people who have joined late can be at par with those who have been here till since 4:30 or 4:40. Okay. Kishore, I will answer your question a little bit later. Just let me conclude everything that I have said. So, हम लोग का process. First of all, what is our skill in the game? What is the skill in the game of value stocks? वी आर गुड एट पिकिंग व्हाट इज क्वालिटी एंड नॉन क्वालिटी. हम लोग क्वालिटी कैसे पिक करते हैं? क्वालिटी हम लोग पिक करते हैं बाय लुकिंग एट द क्यूबीएस ऑफ ऑल द 1500 स्टॉक्स. ओके, क्यूबीएस क्या है? 4 पैरामीटर है. आरओई 5 साल का देखना है, फ्री कैश फ्लो 5 साल का देखना है, सेल्स ग्रोथ 5 साल का, ईपीएस ग्रोथ 5 साल का, और रीसेंट क्वार्टरली सेल्स ग्रोथ एंड ईपीएस ग्रोथ. Yes, AD, it's updated every 20th of every month. Okay, it will be updated by 20th of March again. Okay, so सिर्फ 4 पैरामीटर है, आरओई, फ्री कैश फ्लो, सेल्स ग्रोथ, ईपीएस ग्रोथ और रीसेंट क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स. रीसेंट क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स में 2 ही चीज देखते हैं, सेल्स ग्रोथ, ईपीएस ग्रोथ, 2 पॉइंट, और 4 चीज देखते हैं 5 साल, 4 चीज देखते हैं 5 साल. So 4 into 5 is 20. Recent quarterly results is 2. So total comes to 22. So QBS of each stock is out of 22. So for example, Bajaj Finance का QBS is 17 out of 22. Now what we do? We have the QBS of all the NSE listed 1500 to 1600 stocks. अब हर महीने म्यूचुअल फंड अपना होल्डिंग रिलीज करता है. ठीक है, by 15th we get approximately all the holdings of all the mutual funds. So we take data, it takes time to process the data, and by 20th the QBS of all the schemes are updated in the app or the website. We also have app in iOS and Android. Okay, the app's name is also Value Stocks, so it will be not a issue if you want to go and check it out. Okay, so what we do, suppose कीजिए बजाज फिनेंस का QBS है 17 और म्यूचुअल फंड है जो बजाज फिनेंस में 10% ऑफ AUM रखा है. मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल BOI एक्से का एक राउंड फिगर लेते हैं, 100 करोड़ का AUM है अगर ठीक है, इट्स 111 करोड़, बट आई एम अज्यूमिंग इट्स 100 करोड़ फॉर कैलकुलेशन, सिंपली कैलकुलेशन हो जाएगा इसलिए. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, फॉर एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं EPL. ठीक है, EPL इज 3%. इसका मतलब क्या है कि 100 करोड़ का 3% EPL में डाला हुआ है. ठीक है, मतलब 3 करोड़ रुपया EPL में डाला हुआ है, और EPL का QBS कितना है 18. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 18 इंटू 3 करोड़ डिवाइड बाय 100 करोड़. सो EPL इज गोइंग टू कंट्रीब्यूट 3% इंटू 18 का QBS इन दिस टोटल QBS ऑफ 15.9. ठीक है, ऐसे करके हम लोग ऑल 68 स्टॉक्स का करेंगे यही चीज, और उसको ऐड कर देंगे. अगर आप ये प्रोसेस करेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि इसका QBS आएगा 15.9. green ones, Rajesh ji, is only for convenience purpose of the client. Okay, some people said that it was a client feedback कि हमको QBS, AGS और return में common वाला stocks दिखाइए. That is why we added the feature. ठीक है, so QBS में मैंने क्या बोला अभी तक, स्टॉक का QBS इनटू उसका वेट इन द AUM ऑफ द स्कीम. सो EPL का जैसे हमने बताया 18 इंटू 3% करते करते अगर हम ऑल 68 इक्विटी शेयर्स का करेंगे तो हम लोग को स्कोर मिलेगा 15.9. अब आपको क्या करना है, 15.9 ये तो हम लोग कैलकुलेट करके दे ही रहे हैं. Those who want to do invest, they can use this feature just from here. आपको सारे स्मॉल कैप फंड का यहाँ पे पता चल गया QBS क्या है, एंड द बेस्ट वन इज BOI एक्सिस स्मॉल कैप फंड. अब इससे नेक्स्ट सिनेरियो, अब नेक्स्ट केस पे आते हैं. अब क्या करना है, अब ये डेटा हर महीना अपडेट होने वाला है, एवरी मंथ बाय 20th. सो हर महीना आपको चेक रखना है कि नेक्स्ट मंथ क्या फंड्स आए. ठीक है, जैसे अभी 20th तक सारा डेटा अपडेट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो हो सकता है IDBI ऊपर आ जाए, BOI सेकंड नंबर में आ जाए. तो ये ऊपर नीचे थोड़ा बहुत होते रहेगा, बट दिस विल हैपन बाय 20th ऑफ एवरी मंथ. ठीक है, नाउ QBS ऐसे था. नाउ डिस्कस AGS. AGS क्या था, हर एक कैटेगरी का एक इंडेक्स है. स्मॉल कैप का इंडेक्स क्या होना चाहिए, निफ्टी स्मॉल कैप 100. सो पूरे साल में 4 कंप्लायंस डेट होते हैं. मतलब कंप्लायंस डेट मतलब उस डेट तक कंपनी को रिजल्ट देना होता है. ठीक है, तो हम लोग ने क्या देखा कि अगर स्मॉल कैप फ्रॉम December quarter results to March quarter results has a given return of 30%, and if a scheme has given a return of 27%, then the scheme has underperformed its index, so that is bad. And in another scenario, if a from December quarter to March quarter, small cap index has given a return of 30%, and BOI Axe, for example, has given a return of 45% during the same period. Then we can say that BOI Axe has beaten the index. So we keep on doing this for last 10 quarters, and we give a score of 6. So in case of BOI Axe, इसने क्या हुआ है, इसका लास्ट 8 क्वार्टर का नैव है, मतलब ये 10 क्वार्टर में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता था, ठीक है, ये 8 क्वार्टर से एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है. तो 8 में से 6 बार इसने स्मॉल कैप इंडेक्स को बीट किया है, इसलिए इसको स्कोर दिया गया है 6. इज इट क्लियर भरत जी? सो मैंने QBS और AGS का सारा लॉजिक डिस्क्लोज किया है. This is Nitin ji, this is the way to find the quality of the scheme. अब स्कीम का रिटर्न्स तो अलग ही होगा ना, सबका रिटर्न सेम नहीं होगा. देन तो आई विल हिट हिट रेशियो ऑफ 100% की जो भी क्वालिटी है सब बढ़ता है, ऐसा तो नहीं है. मार्केट में 100 लोग हैं, 100 तरीका है कमाने का, एंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द गुड वेज दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अर्न एंड लूज लेस इवन ड्यूरिंग फॉलिंग मार्केट्स. ओके, so this is what QBS and AGS is about. And how do you pick quality stocks? Coming to the concluding point, for example, मैंने मल्टी कैप खोला, मैं कैसे पिक करूंगा quality stocks? Quality schemes. I will just sort from highest to lowest and see the best quality multi cap fund available at this point of time is BNP Paribas. Simple. I am just taking an example, Pradeep ji. तो मैं इसलिए मैंने एक मल्टी कैप का एग्जांपल ले लिया है. देखिए, I am just sorting them highest to lowest. This is the best mutual fund scheme quality wise. Okay. Now, people were also asking about green, so let me just shortly mention what is the green highlighter. We have also mentioned it over here. BNP Paribas टॉप 7 फंड QBS वाइज तो है, लेकिन 10 क्वार्टर AGS या रिटर्न वाइज नहीं है, इसलिए इसमें ग्रीन हाइलाइटर नहीं है. ठीक है, सो ग्रीन हाइलाइटर मींस दोस फंड्स व्हिच आर top 7 return wise, AGS wise and QBS wise, they have been highlighted in green in every category. You will find this. If there is no green highlight, if there is no scheme which is highlighted in green, that means in that category during that period there is no fund who is common in QBS, AGS and return wise. Okay, only those funds who are common in all these three parameters and having an AUM of 100 crores, only those funds have been highlighted in green. Okay, now let's please repeat QBS. QBS क्या है? सिर्फ 4 चीज देखते हैं, सेल्स ग्रोथ, EPS ग्रोथ, ROE और फ्री कैश फ्लो. ये 4 चीज हम लोग 5 साल तक देते हैं. तो 5 साल मतलब 5 into 4 20, और रीसेंट जो भी लेटेस्ट क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स है उसका सेल्स ग्रोथ और EPS ग्रोथ देखते हैं, दैट इज 2. सो 20 + 2 = 22. करेक्ट ADG. बेस्ट नहीं बोल सकते, हाँ, लेकिन वन ऑफ द बेस्ट है. तीनों में एकदम टॉप में नहीं है, टॉप 7 में है. ठीक है, okay, so we can now have questions. I have disclosed or discussed all the points of how to pick quality stocks, what is AGS, what is the green highlightation. Okay, now if anyone has any question, we can move to the questions part. And those people who want to move forward with this, they want to experience what the product is about, or they want to know more details, they can book their free one-to-one training. What we have done is, since the point was put up, a great point was put up by Ritik ji in our he's one of the participants. He said, how do I trust you? First of all, I disclosed why should you trust me, okay, with data. Number 2, what I did was I showed you why you need the product. Number 3, I showed कि कैसे product को choose करना है. Okay, you people are my potential customers, but all of you may or may not be my customers. So to build trust, what we have done is कि we have disclosed what we are doing. We have showed you the pros and the cons, and now what you can do from your end is you can attend this one-to-one training. You can book this, and you can contact our marketing person from the marketing department, and they will discuss with you all your queries, because I am now right now attending to 80 people. Okay, so I cannot answer all the questions, and we also have a limited time. So what you can do is you can attend one-to-one session with them. It's completely free. Okay, and they will help you what are our products and how we can help you, and they will also answer your question if you want to know something कि मेरे पास ये म्यूचुअल फंड है, मेरा ये पोर्टफोलियो है, हमको एग्जिट करना है, एंटर करना है, they can also help you there. Okay, Bharat ji, we have tested that in most cases QBS is sufficient. Bharat ji, in most categories QBS in itself is sufficient to select a quality stock. AGS may be useful in certain categories, but not in all categories. Okay. DSP top 100 is 11%. There must be a difference of by period. The returns that you will see in the app ADG is that from today till 1 year back. Okay. So that is why there may be difference. Okay. Describe ELSS category. Ravindra ji, I did not get your question. हाँ, औरक जी, ये है कि मैं 80 लोगों का क्वेश्चन एक साथ आंसर नहीं कर सकता. ठीक है. So what can I do? What you can do? I can disclose the generalized all the points. What you want, what you can do is, if you want to know more and discuss more about what the product is about and how it can help you, or if you want to know say about focused funds or ELSS or anything like that, you can book this. You can go to this link I've sent in chat. You can fill out the details. You can choose time of your convenience and date of your convenience, and we can have a one-to-one session. The person from marketing will help you go through the product, and he will answer all your questions. So that is what I was talking about, one-to-one. So this is the link that I have been giving in chat. You can also log on to valuestocks.in and click on this link, and you will go to this page, and you can fill the form and schedule a training at your convenience. Okay. रविंद्र जी, ELSS का स्कीम सिलेक्ट करने का तरीका है मोमेंटम प्लस क्वालिटी. ठीक है. प्रदीप जी, see, if you can take risk and if you have a reasonable amount of capital, you can go for equity strategies, and if you do not want to take risk, or you are not a person who is into stocks, then invest in mutual funds. But if you have a reasonable amount of capital and risk taking ability and willingness, okay, क्योंकि risk ज्यादा है, return भी ज्यादा है. If your ability and willingness only, then go to equity. I'll stay with mutual funds. ADG, मैंने ये नहीं कहा कि आपको म्यूचुअल एक ही स्कीम में 1 to 5 years रहना है. आपको हर महीने स्कीम बता दिया जाएगा, या आपको ऐप खोलने से आप देख सकते हैं. तो आपको इन्वेस्ट करना है, एंड 100% श्योर है कि आप एग्जिट लॉट देंगे नहीं. सो यू विल शुड एटलीस्ट होल्ड फॉर 1 year. सारे म्यूचुअल फंड्स का मोटा मोटी एग्जिट लॉट 1 साल का होता है, तो आप 1 साल तक होल्ड करेंगे. यू विल होल्ड फॉर 1 year एंड यू विल कीप ऑन डूइंग दिस. मतलब फॉर एग्जांपल जनवरी में यू फाइंड दैट एक्सिस लार्ज कैप फंड इज द टॉप वन, यू इन्वेस्ट ऑन जनवरी. फेब्रुअरी में आए, फेब्रुअरी में यू इन्वेस्टेड इन कैनरा रोबेको बिकॉज इट वाज ऑन द टॉप, and you will hold Axis from January 2021 till January 2022. You will hold Canara Robeco from February 2021 to February 2022, and you will move in this fashion. ADG, to answer to your question. Small cap 1 year, please explain. I did not get your question, Mr. 277472, something like that. Debt funds, okay. डेट फंड्स के बारे में थोड़ा बात करते हैं. इफ फर्स्ट लेट्स आंसर ऑल द क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू इक्विटी. एनीवन हैज एनी क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड्स, क्वालिटी इक्विटी म्यूचुअल फंड्स को कैसे पिक करते हैं, एंड दोज हु वांट टू डिस्कस मोर इन डिटेल्स दे कैन रजिस्टर फॉर 1-to-1. ओके. नो स्विच थोड़ी करना है किशोर जी, एग्जाम्पल था वो. आपको सबको आर यू म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर किशोर जी? or you are a person who has savings every month and you keep on investing, you are a mutual fund distributor. Okay, see, आपको पैसा तो एक बार ही नहीं आता है, आपको तो वेरियस टाइम पीरियड्स पे आते रहता होगा, सब हर महीने आता होगा या हर 2 महीने या हर 3 महीने आता होगा, ठीक है. एंड मार्केट इज वोलेटाइल, थिंग्स चेंज every day, every month, every 3 months, 6 months. तो प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा, सपोज कीजिए एज ऑन जनवरी 2020-21, सिंस आई हैव मेंशन्ड अर्लियर, क्यूबीएस का डेटा म्यूचुअल फंड स्कीम का एवरी मंथ चेंज होगा या हो सकता है, ठीक है. तो क्या होगा, जब आपके पास क्लाइंट का पैसा आएगा जनवरी 2021 को, उस दिन आप देख रहे हैं कि टॉप में है एक्सिस ब्लू चिप फंड, ठीक है. जब फरवरी में पैसा आ रहा है तब आप देख रहे हैं एक्सिस ब्लू चिप फंड 2 नंबर पे है, 1 नंबर पे कैनरा रोबेको ब्लू चिप फंड है. सो एट दैट टाइम फॉर दैट क्लाइंट यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन कैनरा रोबेको ब्लू चिप फंड. अगेन if in March 2021 again Axis Blue Chip Fund comes in the top, so at that time you can invest in Axis Blue Chip Fund. So I am telling you this is the fashion and you will be updated, your client will be updated, आपके returns भी updated रहेंगे. और ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने जो जनवरी में इन्वेस्ट किया उसका आपको रिटर्न नहीं मिलेगा. एक्सिस ब्लू चिप विल आल्सो परफॉर्म, बट गिव इट दैट 1 ईयर स्पेस, कि उसको 1 साल का स्पेस देना है कि वो परफॉर्म कर सके, ठीक है. Pradeep ji, take 1-to-1, discuss with them. I cannot go to personalized question. Ravindra ji, take 1-to-1, there you will get to know. Okay, 1-to-1 link is in chat. Take 1-to-1 or log on to valuestocks.in and book your 1-to-1 free training through this link, this green link that I am highlighting. Okay, personalized question cannot be answered at this forum at this moment. Where to invest in small cap 1 year return? सर मैं अगर बता ही दूंगा सब कुछ तो आपको भी नॉलेज होना चाहिए कि आप कर क्या रहे हैं. यू शुड हैव एटलीस्ट अ बेसिक नॉलेज कि व्हाट इज द अप्रोक्सीमेट लॉजिक बिहाइंड एवरीथिंग. ओके, लॉजिक क्या है, यू हैव टू इन्वेस्ट इन क्वालिटी. सो आप 1-to-1 लीजिए, डिस्कस कीजिए, वहां आपका सारा क्वेरी सॉल्व किया जाएगा. ओके, मिस्टर 24772, I have invested in Canara Robeco regular fund. Can I change into direct fund by switching? Yes, you can do that. Uttam Sagar ji. Yes. AUM is not a very big factor, but 100 करोड़ या 250 करोड़ के नीचे कुछ लोग प्रेफर नहीं करते. इसलिए हम लोग ने अपना जो ग्रीन हाइलाइटर फीचर है उसमें भी अपने AUM 100 करोड़ के ऊपर वाले पे ही हाइलाइटर दिया है. प्रदीप जी, suppose you start. Yes, you can do that. राजेश त्रिवेकर जी, आपने एक्सिस में इन्वेस्ट किया फ्रॉम जनवरी 2021, आपने फर्स्ट टाइम इन्वेस्ट किया था और उसके बाद जनवरी 2022 को आपको बताया गया या आपने ऐप में खोल के देखा कि कैनरा रोबेको इज द टॉप फंड. So at that time 1 year period will have completed for Axis SIP. So आप वो पैसा विड्रॉ करके आप कैनरा में लगा लीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. राजेश जी, आपका क्वेश्चन का आंसर. बेस्ट स्मॉल कैप म्यूचुअल फंड, take 1-to-1. Mr. who is this? You are asking the same question. I'm not going to repeat again. Uttam Sagar ji, this is not the forum for डायरेक्ट से रेगुलर करना है, रेगुलर से डायरेक्ट करना है. ओके, यू कैन गो इनटू एनी वेबसाइट, grow.com और Zerodha, वो लोग डायरेक्ट प्लान में ही इन्वेस्ट करवाते हैं. तो यू कैन एग्जिट योर रेगुलर एंड गो एंड चेक आउट देयर वेबसाइट्स, यू विल गेट द रेलेवेंट डेटा. दिस इज नॉट द फोरम टू आस्क सच क्वेश्चंस. यू कैन आस्क योर CA. और फॉर नॉर्मल चीजें टैक्स तो रिटर्न्स पे ही लगेगा ना, आपको जो इनकम होगा टैक्स का भी इन्वेस्टमेंट पे नहीं लगता. उत्तम जी, एनीवन हैज एनी क्वेश्चंस? I did not get your question, Rajesh ji. Fund starts giving return after few years. तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? ये तो इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हैं, आप खेल थोड़ी रहे हैं, ट्रेडिंग थोड़ी कर रहे हैं कि हमको 15 दिन में 1% मिल जाएगा, 6 महीना में 30% मिल जाएगा. एंड ऑफ द डे म्यूचुअल फंड इज एक्टिंग विद इन द फ्रेमवर्क ऑफ मार्केट्स ना. अगर स्मॉल कैप म्यूचुअल फंड, अगर आपको पता होगा 2018 से 2019 और 20 तक ही स्मॉल कैप इंडेक्स का रिटर्न था -20-25%. तो म्यूचुअल फंड को बहुत रगड़ रगड़ के मेहनत करना होगा ना टू गिव इवन अ पॉजिटिव रिटर्न, राजेश जी. ओके, सो यू हैव टू बी पेशेंट और एटलीस्ट 1 ईयर तो देना ही पड़ेगा. और एंड ऑफ द डे सारे म्यूचुअल फंड में मोटा मोटी 1 साल का एग्जिट लोड है ही. सो इट विल नॉट बी अ लॉजिकल मूव टू कीप स्विचिंग म्यूचुअल फंड्स. जिसमें एक बार लगा दिया, कीप दैट मनी देयर फॉर 1 ईयर अनलेस एंड अनटिल कोई ऐसा म्यूचुअल फंड है जिसका क्यूबीएस 15 था, नेक्स्ट मंथ आपके आप देख रहे हैं 12 हो गया. So such a drastical change should initiate an exit. But unless and until such case does not happen, you do not need to think about exit. Keep on holding it and give it at least a 1 year's time to perform. Okay, it's okay. You keep it for 3 years. Good enough. But just keep track of it that it is in top 5 or top 10. Rajesh ji. Ashok ji, I did not get your question. Why mutual funds are not performing bad? They should perform bad. Did not get your question. देखिए मितेश जी, आपको पीयर्स देखना होगा. ठीक है, अब मैं आपका जो क्वेश्चन है, इट्स अ गुड क्वेश्चन. एवरीवन विल गेट अ डिसेंट आइडिया फ्रॉम व्हाट ही इज ट्राइंग टू से. वो बोल रहे हैं, मितेश जी का क्वेश्चन है कि कितना क्यूबीएस के नीचे वी हैव टू एग्जिट. ठीक है, तो जवाब है, अब आप देखिए मल्टी कैप फंड जो कैटेगरी है उसमें एक भी फंड का क्यूबीएस 15 के ऊपर है ही. ठीक है, नो फंड इन द मल्टी कैप कैटेगरी हैज अ क्यूबीएस ग्रेटर देन 15. So if someone is comfortable with not having any funds from this category, then it's good for them. But कोई लोग है जिसको मल्टी कैप फंड में डालना ही है, उस कैटेगरी में उसको इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए, then compared to the peers, अब देखिए इसमें टोटल 9 to 10 फंड्स ही है. So you should keep in mind that your funds that you have invested or you are thinking about investing is at least in top 4 or top 5. Okay, so आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट शुड नॉट गो आउट ऑफ दीज 4 फंड्स. ओके, बरोडा, इन्वेस्टको, प्रिंसिपल और बीएनपी, इसके बाहर मत इन्वेस्ट कीजिए. ठीक है, और अगर आपका इसके बाहर जा रहा है तो फर्दर इन्वेस्ट तो बंद कर दीजिए नितेश जी. एटलीस्ट स्टॉप इन्वेस्टिंग फर्दर अमाउंट ऑफ मनी इफ योर फंड इज गोइंग आउट. इट्स आईसीआईसीआई और क्वांट, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके अशोक जी, एमएफ इंडेक्स जितना परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे हैं उसका कारण तो एमएफसी बता सकते हैं. इसका कारण क्या है? सिंपल रीजन, अगर आप डेटा को देखेंगे तो आपको ये समझ में आएगा कि उनके पास जो स्टॉक्स है वो क्वालिटी में तो अच्छे हैं, लेकिन अभी मार्केट में क्या हो रहा है, कचरा स्टॉक्स जो है ना वो जोर जोर से बढ़ रहा है. ठीक है, इसलिए ये हो रहा है बिकॉज बैड स्टॉक्स आर गोइंग अप बाय 200-300%. दैट इज व्हाई व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, मार्केट इज आल्सो राइजिंग and the quality stocks are not going at that speed. So that is why index is performing better and MFs are not performing. That may be one reason. Same logic है प्रदीप जी. क्वालिटी मैंने बताया, टॉप 2, टॉप 3, टॉप 4, टॉप 5 फंड्स में ही आपको रहना है क्वालिटी वाइज. फिर आपको उसमें मोमेंटम का कंपोनेंट डालना है तो आप डाल सकते हैं. What we have done, since people are very interested to mix them, quality, return, everything, तो हमने क्या किया है, those are mutual fund distributors, they will find it very very useful. Okay, क्या होगा, हम लोग ने किया है कि हम लोग हर महीने, ठीक है, हर महीने you can see this QBS mentioned. ठीक है, every month we will release stocks. Okay, and these stocks are sorry for using stocks, it's funds. Every month we will release schemes that are going to perform very nice in the next 1 year. Okay, for example, अब March 20th आने वाला है अभी within 5 to 8 days. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 20th को लार्ज कैप कैटेगरी, मिड कैप कैटेगरी, स्मॉल कैप, ELSS, फोकस्ड, फ्लेक्सी कैप, ELSS, मल्टी कैप, फ्लेक्सी कैप, सब कैटेगरी के हम लोग फंड रिलीज करने वाले हैं on 20th of March. So mutual fund distributors and retailers who are interested in doing SIP and the mutual fund distributors who are who receive money every month or every 2 to 3 months, they can look into these strategies. They can take one to one and look into these strategies. इसमें आपको हर महीने हम लोग फंड बताएंगे, और उसमें हम लोग ने क्या किया है, हम लोग ने टेस्ट किया है. जैसे किसी ने मुझे सवाल पूछा था कि क्यूबीएस और एजीएस का मिक्स अच्छा रहेगा क्या, मेरे ख्याल से भरत मोदी जी ने पूछा था मुझे, तो मैंने उनको जवाब दिया कि कुछ कैटेगरी में चलता है, कुछ में नहीं चलता है. तो what we have done is we have tested what works in every category. किसमें लार्ज कैप चलता है, किसमें मिड कैप, किसमें स्मॉल कैप में क्या चलता है, मोमेंटम चलता है कि नहीं. ओके, वी हैव टेस्टेड इट एंड वी हैव फाउंड. फॉर एग्जांपल मैं आपको एक उदाहरण देता हूं कि मल्टी कैप में हम लोग ने देखा है मोमेंटम डज नॉट वर्क, ओनली क्वालिटी वर्क्स. स्मॉल कैप एंड ईएलएसएस में हम लोग ने देखा है मोमेंटम एंड क्वालिटी वर्क्स. ओके, ओनली क्वालिटी भी रिटर्न नहीं दे रहा है, ओनली मोमेंटम भी रिटर्न नहीं दे रहा है, लेकिन दोनों को मिला रहे हैं, देन वी आर गेटिंग फिनोमिनल रिटर्न्स. ओके, सो if you are a MFD or if you are a retail person who is at least having a 5 lakh portfolio, they can subscribe to various strategies. Okay, there are approximately strategies for 9 categories. ठीक है, 9 categories. कैटेगरी मतलब लार्ज कैप एक कैटेगरी हो गया, मिड कैप, स्मॉल कैप, लार्ज मिड, मल्टी, ईएलएसएस, फोकस्ड, डेट, फ्लेक्सी. तो हम लोग ने क्या किया, ये 9 कैटेगरी के लिए स्ट्रैटेजी बना दी है कि किसमें मोमेंटम वर्क करता है, किसमें क्यूबीएस वर्क करता है. बट those who do not want to get into strategies, they simply need to get to know the quality MFs or whether their portfolio has quality MFs or not. Then you don't need to look into this, you just go to this know your quality mutual fund, go to this section and check out your funds. Okay, now those who are interested in going into strategies, they can check out the performance and the drawdown over here. Okay, and those who are confused, okay, what to do, what not to do, they can do is at least they can book this. Okay, book your one-to-one training. डेट कैटेगरी मतलब उसमें बैंकिंग, पीएसयू, शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन, ऑल दोस कैटेगरीज में हम लोग ने देखा है कि जो कैटेगरीज परफॉर्म करती है लास्ट 1 महीना, 2 महीना, 3 महीना या 1 साल, उसमें से हम लोग उठा के बोलते हैं कि ये 2-3 कैटेगरी बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्म करने वाली है और उस पर हम लोग ने एक स्ट्रैटेजी बनाई. सो दैट इज हाउ वी कम टू डेट कैटेगरी में which funds are working, which are going to perform in the next few quarters. Okay, those who are interested, what they can do is they can attend this one-to-one free training and they can get to know more about the product. They can get their portfolio checked, their mutual fund portfolio checked, and they can get in touch with us and we can see what we can just start your journey with us, how mutual funds, quality mutual funds are going to help you perform better for yourself and for your clients if you are a mutual fund distributor. Ashok ji, this is not a forum, so I'm not going to discuss that PMS thing. If you want, you can check this out. Okay, we are not going to talk about this. This is a seminar related to mutual funds. Mitesh ji, quick way to check debt. Debt में problem क्या होता है? After Franklin crisis, what happened is many people lost their trust on debt mutual funds. Okay, so what we did, we found that those schemes who invest in bonds that are rated AAA and higher, okay, those schemes who invest most of their AUM in bonds which are AAA and higher, AAA rating है, okay, सबसे highest rating होता है sovereign, उसके बाद AAA, उसके बाद AA and so on. जिनको पता होगा वो समझ गए होंगे. I cannot go into deep explanation, it will take time. Okay, so what we have done is for every debt fund we have calculated कि उसका AA bond में कितना investment है, AAA bond में कितना investment है, and those funds which are investing most of their money in high quality bonds and which have performed in the last few quarters, they are going to be the performers in the next few quarters. That is what we have seen. So for example मैं लेता हूँ banking and PSU debt fund. ठीक है, अब आप इसमें देख रहे हैं AAA. So Aditya Birla का 87% of AUM is in AAA bonds. ठीक है, अब आप देख रहे हैं Invesco इंडिया बैंकिंग एंड पीएसयू डेट फंड का 97% ट्रिपल ए में है. सो आपको कभी फ्रैंकलिन जैसा सिनेरियो इसमें नहीं दिखेगा, या प्रोबेबिलिटी बहुत कम है कि आपको फ्रैंकलिन जैसा केस इधर मिलेगा, बिकॉज कि 97% ऑफ द फंड्स इज इन ट्रिपल ए बॉन्ड्स. सो आपको रिस्क नहीं है. ठीक है. और कुछ लोग बोलेंगे कि अगर ट्रिपल ए बॉन्ड में है तो रिटर्न कैसा आएगा. रिटर्न आएगा, उसका भी टेस्टिंग है. टेस्टिंग क्या है कि अगर वो पहले हम लोग निकालेंगे कि वो सारा बॉन्ड्स हटा देंगे जो लो कैटेगरी में इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है, मतलब इसमें इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है ट्रिपल बी एंड लोअर. ठीक है, इसमें जीरो होना चाहिए. आफ्टर वी रिमूव दोज फंड्स, उसके बाद हम लोग देंगे विच हैज परफॉर्म्ड इन द लास्ट फ्यू क्वार्टर्स. If it has performed in last few quarters and it is having a decent amount of money greater than 85 to 90% in AAA, then we are going to say that this fund is going to perform for the next few quarters. So इसका भी हम लोग ने strategy बनाया है, wherein there is a momentum and there is quality. So end of the day conclusion क्या है, कुछ भी चीज हम लोग कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, कुछ चीज में ओनली क्वालिटी से काम हो जाएगा, और कुछ चीज में क्या करना पड़ता है, वी हैव टू मिक्स क्वालिटी एंड मोमेंटम. मोमेंटम कहाँ से आता है, या तो आप 1 ईयर रिटर्न देख लीजिए, 2 ईयर रिटर्न देख लीजिए, या तो आप अल्फा जनरेटर स्कोर देख लीजिए. एंड अल्फा जनरेटर स्कोर इज वेरी होलिस्टिक. व्हाई? बिकॉज वो रेलेवेंट इंडेक्स को बीट करता है, तभी उसको बोलता है कि दिस इज अ गुड स्कीम. और आप अगर 1 ईयर 2 ईयर 3 ईयर रिटर्न देखेंगे तो आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. यू देन हैव टू आल्सो चेक कि उस 1 2 3 ईयर पीरियड में रेलेवेंट इंडेक्स का क्या रिटर्न था. So that is why how we have made the whole structure of the app, and those who are interested, who want to get associated with us, they can join this one-to-one, and the relevant person from the marketing department will answer all your questions. Pradeep ji, you can, I've explained it 2 to 3 times. Just take one-to-one once. They will explain you everything. Any more questions regarding equity or debt? Debt was not a major part of this webinar, but still few people were asking about it, so I gave a brief idea. Those who, the seminar has ended, those who have any questions, they can ask questions or they may leave. And those who want to be associated with us, they can book their one-to-one free over here. It's free of cost, and I am also giving the link in the chat. And it's going to be a wonderful journey if you join with us. And even if you are confused, at least give a try. First join one-to-one. We are not asking you to just pay right away. Join one-to-one once. Get to know us. I hope I have given enough information to first build the building blocks of trust. And I hope that most of you join the one-to-one training, and we can see what we can do moving forward. But I think if most of us join us, they are going to have a wonderful journey, wonderful returns, beating the markets. Mutual fund distributors are going to make their clients very happy. Okay. Dynamic asset allocation strategy. Sir, पहले one-to-one join कीजिए. पहले जितना मैंने information दिया है, पहले उतना discuss कर लीजिए. Then we can move further. Okay. It's 5:50. Seminar has ended. Those who have any questions relating to debt or equity, they can ask me regarding quality debt and equity. The seminar is ended. Either book your one-to-one. You can also book your one-to-one on the website. I'm also giving the link in the chat. If you want, you can leave the group because the seminar is ended. Anyone has any questions regarding stock mutual fund schemes? कृष्णा जी, सिप का मतलब ये नहीं है, सिर्फ सिप का मार्केट में जो मतलब बनाया गया है वो ये है कि एक ही म्यूचुअल फंड में डालते जाओ डालते जाओ डालते जाओ एवरी मंथ. नो, सिप मींस रेगुलरली आप इन्वेस्ट कीजिए. ठीक है, जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको सेम फंड में करना है. मेरा पॉइंट समझ रहे हैं? मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूं कि आप सिप का मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं हर महीना जनवरी फरवरी मार्च अप्रैल दिसंबर तक हर महीना मैं एक्सिस ब्लू चिप में इन्वेस्ट करूंगा. सिप का मतलब है कि मेरे पास 5,000 रुपया अगर हर महीना सेव कर रहा हूं मैं, तो मैं अगर जनवरी में एक्सिस इज द टॉप क्वालिटी लार्ज कैप फंड, देन ऑन जनवरी आई एम गोइंग टू टेक एक्सिस. Next month, if Axis in February, if Axis is the top quality mutual fund, I will again invest in Axis. But if in February Canara Robeco is the top quality large cap fund, then I'm going to invest in Canara. again in if April, if Axis again comes out and turns out to be the best quality MF in large cap category, then I will again in April invest 5,000 in Axis. That is also SIP. SIP का मतलब ये नहीं है कि you will keep on doing the same thing every month. Okay, I hope I have cleared your doubt, Krishna ji. Anyone has any more questions? I'm giving one-to-one link in the chat. Those who want, they can join the one-to-one link. Seminar has ended. There are still 30 people. The seminar has ended. Either you have any questions, then you can ask. You can book your one-to-one free training from the link or the website, and you can leave the group because there is the seminar is ended. I'm just waiting for questions if there are any. Thank you, ADG. I hope you attend one-to-one. Thank you, Himanshu ji. I hope you have registered for one-to-one. ऋतिक जी, मैं पहले आप एक बार one-to-one ले लीजिए. And as your question was, I hope I have at least created the building blocks of trust. मैंने तो सब कुछ disclose कर दिया, how we do it and what we do. Lump sum investment strategy भी है. Lump sum investment strategy भी है कृष्णा जी, but it is better to go for the SIP one. ठीक है, it's better to go for SIP one. I would say that. Lump sum investment strategy, if you will find this over here. Okay, it's over here also. We have for each category we have two strategies. One is the SIP, one is the lump sum. Okay, you will find this. For example, you can see over here large cap QBS mutual fund strategy, and you will also find here large cap mutual fund strategy. So the QBS one is a SIP one, and the large cap one is annual strategy. Okay. Anyone has any more questions? Ritik ji, first attend one-to-one, then there you will get your answer questions answered. वैसे मैंने बता भी दिया BNP Paribas मल्टी कैप में एक अच्छा फंड है क्योंकि QBS अच्छा काम करता है मल्टी कैप्स में. But first attend one-to-one. I would request you if you want to, if you think that the product is relevant for you. This is the one-to-one link I am giving in chat. There are still 23-24 people. I would request people to not make any notions that I'm here only to sell something. Obviously, we are here to do business. Everyone is. But I'm giving you the product that is going to help you in your journey. आपको long term में help करेगा. At least give one-to-one. At least आप one-to-one attend कीजिए पहले. Don't make a notion. एक बार one-to-one attend कीजिए. If you don't find it relevant, you can obviously do not. You can stop that training. But at least one-to-one एक बार मौका दीजिए. We are going to try our best to fulfill your expectations. मंगेश जी पहले one-to-one attend कीजिए. इक्विटी और डेट से ही आपका काम हो जाएगा. You won't need to go into retirement funds. Retirement funds में जाना नहीं होगा. How to invest in 12 years to get retirement planning. SIP कीजिए. If you are a mutual fund distributor, Mr. Kolapkar? No. So so you must be a business person who is doing a business or a salaried person, right? So what you can do is you will do every month, you will do SIP, right? आप SIP कीजिए every month. आप 2-3 strategy ले लीजिए. मोटा मोटी एक strategy में हम लोग 1 या 2 funds देते हैं, maximum 3. So what you can do is you can do a SIP and you will enjoy good returns. And you keep on doing it for 10 years, you will see what you can create. बहुत बड़ा amount create हो जाएगा sir, even with 5,000. कृष्णा जी, yes ma'am, कृष्णा जी ये 1 साल का subscription मिलेगा आपको, but I would recommend कि सबसे पहले आप one-to-one ले लीजिए. Just don't go and buy the product. I request you. Okay, पहले आप one-to-one ले लीजिए, उसके बाद आप decide कीजिएगा. I request people who are in the group, direct one-to-one मत लीजिए, direct product buy मत कीजिए, पहले product समझ लीजिए, तो आपको you will find the worth in it after understanding it. ठीक है, दिस इज अ ऐप विच इज गोइंग टू गिव यू अ क्वालिटी रिसर्च, ठीक है, आपको अच्छा क्वालिटी का रिसर्च मिलेगा, लेकिन वो रिसर्च पहले बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना चाहिए. If you just go and buy the product and do not understand it for 1 or 2 months, you regret paying us, and we do not want that. हमको वो पैसा चाहिए जो खुशी से मन से दिया जाए. So that is why we want you to first attend 1-to-1 and then decide whether you want to move forward with it or not. Any more questions? There are 23 people. It's approximately 6. I am going to wait for till 6 p.m. and then I am going to end the session. The session has ended. If you do not have any questions, you can leave the group. If you want to take 1-to-1, the link is in the chat. There are still 23 people. I request you either you can leave the Zoom or you can register for 1-to-1. The link is in the chat. I'm going to end the Zoom meeting by 6. There are 3 minutes. 3 minutes is left. Any more questions? Anyone? Krishna ji, take 1-to-1. Recorded webinar is only for paid subscribers, so you will not get any recorded webinar. But we will train you. You can take 2 or 3 1-to-1s. Okay, and it may be more than enough to give you the training regarding how to use the app. Okay, so take 1-to-1, and if you still are not satisfied, take 1 or 2 more times the same thing, and you just tell them that I have understood till this part. Please continue from here, and they will help you accordingly. First, register for it. Recorded webinar is only for paid subscriber. We are not providing recorded webinar to non-paid subscribers. Anyone has any more questions? There are 20 people in the group. If you are interested, register for 1-to-1, or you may exit the Zoom session because we are not going to talk. No, it's for both ADG, for stocks and MFs. But since today's topic was MFs, so you can also take for stocks. No issues. It's not an issue. You can tell them I'm interested in stocks also, so they will help you accordingly. Anyone else has any questions? I can see 18 people. What happened, ADG? I did not get the point. You need to take 1-to-1. Okay, from this link, just register yourself. You can register as a mutual fund investor over here. There is an option, sir. I think there must have been some misunderstanding, Mr. AD. You can see on the screen, you can click your MFD investor, select your time and date and your investment amount, and they will help you. There will not be any issue. There must have been some misunderstanding. There is a strategy, but I think it's not the relevant platform to say about it. Okay, just check the app out. You will find that. I'm just going to mention it. So over here under this section, you will find strategies that are going to help you on monthly. But this is a MF seminar. First take 1-to-1. They ask them these questions. They will give you an appropriate answer. But for the sake of it, in short, this is the place where you will get strategies that are going to help you on every month. Just take the 1-to-1 first. Okay, it's 6. There are still 18 people. I think I've answered all questions. I'm going to end the seminar over here. Thank you very much for attending the seminar. Have a good day.